This section is all about expanding brackets and combining together like terms if possible. What do we mean by expanding brackets? Well, that means getting rid of the brackets. So what we have to do is look at each expression and then see what we have to do to get rid of the brackets. So let's look at our first example. 3 bracket 2x minus 7y. Now a number written outside an expression in brackets means that the expression in brackets is being multiplied by that number. So really, that is 3 times by everything inside the bracket, the 2x minus 7y. So to get rid of the brackets, we must multiply everything inside the brackets by the 3. So we multiply the 3 by the 2x, and then the 3 by the 7y. But remember, there's a subtract sign or a minus sign in between. So it's 3 times 2x minus 3 times 7y. 3 times 2x is 6x. Minus 3 times 7y is minus 21y. These are unlike terms. They're x and y terms, and they can't be combined together. So our final answer is 6x minus 21y. Let's look at example B. We've got 5 minus 4, brackets, y minus 3x squared. So we read this as 5 minus 4 times the expression in brackets. That is 5 minus 4 times y minus 3x squared. Now, if you remember the rules of BODMAS, then you'll know that in an expression like this, we always do multiplication before subtraction. So we don't subtract 4 from 5 and then times the answer by y minus 3x squared. We times the 4 by the brackets first, and then we subtract the answer from 5. So we leave the 5 where it is, we put in the minus sign, and we expand the bracket 4 times by y minus 3x squared. What is that? That is 4 times by the y, then the minus sign, and then 4 times the 3x squared. So we calculate the various bits and write down our final answer. It's 5 here, minus, now inside the bracket you've got 4 times y, which can be written more simply as 4y. And then minus 4 times 3x squared. Now remember, it's just the x squared. 3x squared means 3 times x squared. So 4 times 3 times x squared will give us 12x squared. Now, we've got a minus sign outside the bracket. That changes the sign inside the bracket. So minus times by 4y gives us minus 4y. And then a minus times a minus gives you a plus 12x squared. Our 3 terms here are unlike terms, so we can't combine them together. Our final answer therefore is 5 minus 4y plus 12x squared.